Good morning and welcome to Cozumel.
Good morning.
We have been up and about for a little while. We've gone up and got our coffee and got our breakfast. Yeah, oh boy. Carnival coffee, gotta love it.
Walked by itself.
It did. I asked for a refill and here come in the cup. So
It jumped right in.
but we're ready to go. And no trip to Cozumel, Mexico is complete without a trip to your choice of an all-inclusive. We'll let you folks find out where we're going here in just a little bit. So we've got all of our stuff. We've got our sign and sale card. We've got our picture ID because they are both necessary for getting back on board the ship.
Yes.
So we're going to head out and y'all come with us.
And always remember, follow ship time.
Yes.
It's best not to rely on your phone. If you have a watch, take it with you. Keep it set on ship time. Put your little alarm on there so you know you've got time to get back.
Yes. Yeah. And
Tip of the day.
tip of the day. And mine is just a regular $9 bought it from Walmart watch. It's a digital watch. It don't hook up. It don't update automatically. And that's the trick, is you don't want any type of time device that's going to update automatically to local time, because local time and ship time don't always jive. So
Nothing fancy.
nothing fancy, just something that works. But we're going to get out of here. We're going to take y'all with us. And as always, we're going to have a big time.
Whoop whoop.
We see y'all here in a little bit. These are the dry bags that we use. These things come in multiple different sizes. Yes, that's our tail animal. These things come in multiple different sizes. We're not sponsored by any of this, but we highly recommend using one of these. If you're going to go ashore and there's any chance of anything you have getting wet, get some of these dry bags. This is the first time we've been able to get pictures of the Mardi Gras from off of the Mardi Gras. Well, at least since she came home a couple of months ago.
We have company, the Breeze.
Yes. We have the Breeze, which is the Carnival ship that has eluded us for a long time now.
Yeah.
Someday we will breeze.
One
Someday.
day.
Yes. There's the Celebrity Summit, and then the Disney ship is further north.
That's a Disney ship.
So, where are we? We don't know where the traveling Gilberts are, but where are we?
Mr. Sancho's.
We're at Mr. Sancho's.
Cozumel, Mexico. Having a ticket to fly. And gonna get some food in a minute.
Yeah.
Go along with it. Sadly, Jen is seasick this morning, and I miss her and Doug. And hopefully my patch and a little bit of Finnegan will help her feel so much better. Maybe they can join us later. Yes, brother, it's hot.
What you got, babe?
I have it already.
Mango daiquiri.
Yeah.
I have the blue sea, and no, your eyes aren't fooling you. It's green. So we'll see how this is. Okay, and just for the record, little wavy out here today. Yeah,
Feels good.
feels really good.
It just
takes a second to get accustomed to it on your back
Yeah.
or other sensitive areas.
Definitely not snorkel friendly today, which I'm glad I left
I'm bouncing.
at the. I'm glad I left our snorkel gear in our cabin. So, but yeah, and away we go.
Yeah, definitely not snorkel.
So, just because, hey, welcome back to Cozumel Spin. Ooh, I'm glad this camera's got stave. It's a leaf fish. Yes.
Notorious leaf fish.
Yes. Y'all heard of walking sticks? These are floating sticks.
Get a little.
There we go.
Get your giblies wet.
Oh, I forgot my watch.
That's all right. It's water resistant, yeah.
This one? Yeah, it's cool. We're good. It's a new watch, so I couldn't remember. Oh, this feels good, y'all. Yeah.
Yeah,
Just get-
yeah. Once you just get,
Once you get in.
yeah, beautiful. Like I would get my, I would get my float, but somebody had to come get me from Albuquerque, I do believe.
Mr. Sancho's from the water. And pretty much from right there to that building and all the way back to the pool is the LIdo Loca group. We have pretty much taken over this entire area of Sancho's. Oh, it feels better this time than the first time.
It's warmer than the pool is.
Yeah.
The pool is quite refreshing.
Oh, well. He's not on deck. Scott's in the water.
I like it a little better that way.
Yeah. Hey. If y'all get a chance, I'll leave a thumbnail up here. Y'all check out Scott's on deck. They are really good people.
TV about it. Put it back over here a little bit.
I haven't even been filming much, to be honest.
Just enjoying it.
Yeah, exactly. It's been, I mean, last time we cruised was 2019, so it's like, I've just been enjoying soaking everything in, so it's like,
Yeah, well, I mean, it's like we forget, we get so into what we're doing and having so much fun.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
You know.
To get to talking and drinking and eating, it's like, well, the camera's a second thought.
Exactly.
Well. This is what it's all about, y'all. Just relaxing.
Don't eat the seaweed.
Don't eat the seaweed. Just relaxing. The water is great out here. That's okay. I got you, baby. The water is great out here. There we go. Yeah.
I can't touch the bottom, so he's got me.
Yeah, we're not even 30 feet from where the water breaks, but I'm literally on my tiptoes, shoulder height in water.
Touch right there either. I thought
Okay,
I could.
we'll get a little closer in.
There we go. I'm good.
We're good? Okay.
Yep, I can feel it right there. I'm on a rock.
Yeah, it's
This water feels wonderful now.
my Mickey says it's almost 2:30. Our ship doesn't leave until 6:30, but we're headed back at about 4. So
Yeah.
we got about another hour and a half here at Mr. Sancho's. We're just gonna hang out, relax a little bit, enjoy the sun, and just, it's that cruise life, y'all. That's all it is. It's that cruise life.
Right.
but for the next hour and a half, it's going to be that Sancho slides.
Yes, warm water, good friends, good food, good drinks.
Yes.
Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look all around us. I mean, people
Y'all,
enjoying their life.
Y'all come to Mr. Sancho's. It's an all-inclusive resort. It's all the food, all the drinks, but also you look over here behind me. They've got inflatables. You pay a little bit extra to get on the inflatables. If you do the all-inclusive here, that also includes the use of a locker if you need it. It also includes the kayak if you want to use the kayak. The water's a little rough today. I don't think they're doing it, but that's included in it. But just check them out. Y'all really need to do this. And Sancho's isn't the only all-inclusive they have here. Another popular one, which is like right up the beach, is Nachi Coco. And Playa Mia is also here. And just do your research, do your homework, check it out. Find a place that you like, and then after you visit them a couple times, find another place. You might like it too. So, but just, yeah, it's that cruise life, y'all. That's all it is.
Don't eat the seaweed.
And don't eat the seaweed.
I don't like eating roller coasters, so the Bolt is going to be like a breakthrough for me.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to try that parasailing one time. That looks like it could be fun.
It would take a little bit of pushing to get me on.
Yeah.
But if I'm over water, I think I'm a little better.
Well, I'll tell you the truth. When you get on that boat roller coaster, you won't even notice the water.
No,
You won't.
it's very fun.
You'll get off of it and go, wait a second, I'm still on a cruise ship?
There we go.
Wow. Hopefully YouTube will be nice to me and I won't get a copyright strike, but just in case y'all were wondering, that is Skinner jamming in the background.
Is there a shark for real?
And the place they're singing about is that way. I almost forgot. Get some kind of beach shoes. Oh. You need some kind of beach shoe, water shoe while you're here, because you never know when you're going to find a rock or a conch shell or something. So, and the sand up on the beach is more seashell than sand, so be careful. We don't need any cut feet out here. We have from left to right. They're traveling Gilberts. What's going on, Ronnie?
Oh, he fell.
Yeah, there's a few of them over here.
Yep, I know this rock over here had a whole bunch of them around it earlier.
We was at breakfast this morning. We looked out the window and we saw the waves were white capping. I left all my snorkel stuff on the ship.
Oh yeah, it turned out to be beautiful, didn't
Yeah,
it?
and now it's just, man.
It's beautiful.
Very nice.
It's great.
So I've done a few blind underwater shots when the fish go by. Hopefully I get something good out of it. Yo, that is Ronnie Gilbert from the Traveling Gilberts. Y'all need to check them out. He's good people. I don't care what everybody else says. We know where he's at. They're good people. Here comes Miss Teresa right now. And over there in the water, that would be young Mr. Gilbert and the future Mrs. Gilbert. Y'all, this is what it's all about. Good friends and good people right here. I got Corey, my Brenda, Miss Teresa, Miss Hannah, Ronnie Gilbert, Maria, and Spencer Scott from Scott's on Deck.
Yeah, we were going over there just a bit. I saw Tom and Brenda over here, and I was like, oh, what do you think, Tom?
Wow. So, we are back on board the ship. I know, shocking, isn't it? We have cleaned up after Mr. Sancho. We went to Guy's Pig and Anchor and got us some supper. I'll have Thomas, our editor-in-chief, insert some pictures here of what we have, but I will tell you the Pig and Anchor is
Not as good as it was before on the other ships, not to me.
I would have to agree with my Brenda.
The
We've had the
macaroni and cheese was good.
yeah, that's still the bomb. But as far as the meal overall, I would have to say that of the 3 ships we've had it on, this would be a number 3.
Yeah.
Probably the best was the Vista. The Panorama was a close second, but this Pig and Anchor has got a little bit to learn. But that's just our opinion, you know.
Right.
You
Yeah.
folks want to come to the Mardi Gras and check out the Pig and Anchor here, by all means, feel free to do so. Try it out for yourself. Let us know what you think about that. Right now, we are kicked back up on 17, the Upper Lido, getting ready to check out one of the dive-in movies as we get ready to sail away from Cozumel, Mexico.
The sun is starting to set.
Yeah, that bright spot over there off to the side, that's the sun coming down.
Such a beautiful, beautiful evening.
We're gonna
It's like
check out a movie and maybe do some shopping once the fun shops open up, and we'll just kind of go from there. If we don't see you folks again until tomorrow, y'all have a good night. If we do see you again, we'll see you here in just a little bit. So, what about that lemonade? Where's it get you at? Right there? Okay. As long as we know where it gets you at. No, those aren't robots.